Hello, Mo families. Welcome to the presentation on Accessing ClassLink, created by Manning Oaks Elementary Vanguard team. Accessing ClassLink. Step 1. Go to your internet browser and type in the link shown below. Username. The username for ClassLink is your student's 10-digit student ID number. Password. The password for your ClassLink page is your student's birth date, including zeros, without any dashes or slash marks. This will be in the format month, date, year. For example, if your student's birth date was February 9th, 2010, the password would be typed in as 02092010. Step 2. If you do not know your student's username or password, follow the steps below. Go to the Infinite Campus Parent Portal. The link is shown below. When you type in that link, it will bring you to a page that matches the picture on the left. This is where you can enter your parent username and password. If you do not have access to your Infinite Campus Parent Portal, search your email inbox for an email from Infinite Campus on how to set up your account. You may need to look in your spam email inbox. If you do not have an email from Infinite Campus, please contact the front office at 470-254-2912. Step 3. Once your student's username and password is entered on ClassLink, click Sign In. The picture shown below shows what your student's ClassLink page could look like. Sit with your student and explore their ClassLink page together to see what programs your student has access to. Your student will be using a ClassLink every day. Thank you for watching this presentation created by the Mo Vanguard team. I hope that this presentation has helped you how to access ClassLink.